Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to pin your location on its wallpaper on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, scroll down, okay, and tap on lock screen. Click on customize. Tap on next, and then tap on this option. Click and allow and tap on add option, then click on set wallpaper. Okay, then back, click on settings. Okay, and tap on general option. Okay, then back, tap on privacy and security. Just tap, then click on location service. Okay, this on and tap on this option and click on this option. Okay, and tap on location, then back and set your location, then pin location. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.